Hello affiliate marketers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'd like to share with you guys another case study I found. Completely new beginner that had zero knowledge of Instagram managed to grow his account from 0 to over 75,000 Instagram followers, and at the same time earning over $10,000 a month by using Clickbank, and the niche is weight loss. I'll leave the link to this blog post for you guys to check out. It's very inspirational, and the great thing about Instagram is that traffic is free and it actually takes the least amount of work you can actually do. And here he just showing his results, making thousands a month at this point, and also making money by selling shout outs and sponsored posts. So here are some more of his screenshots. And here he just shown the niche is weight loss, and he found the perfect source. He got the perfect target and the perfect niche for those female viewers who are overweight, and his audience came from the top tier countries. So all of those combined together make the perfect situation for him to make a boatload of money, and Instagram provided that source. And the thing with Instagram is you don't have to be, it's not all about being a supermodel and posting photos of yourself on there. There are actually a lot of niche Instagram accounts just like these right here. And here is his secret source. It's actually no secret. He's pretty much copying content ideas. So he takes the top posts from other Instagram accounts and he just credits them. So here's a fine example. Just a post with images and text, weight loss tricks, and then offer the affiliate link in the bio link. And here's another one. So here's an example down here. So he credits the original creator right there in his post. And this is actually a really good example because Instagram really likes interactions. So if your post gets a lot of interactions or engagement, just besides the likes, of course likes, it's going to be a good indicator that tells Instagram to boost your posts. But also if you create engagement, so in this description right here, tag someone who loves a watermelon, and then he also says, are you picking the right watermelon? People seeing this tag their friends, this post is gonna get bigger. And also if you leave a comment, this post is going to go up and hit that explore page, and then brings millions potentially reach. It takes literally minutes to post something, especially if you just copy and paste from another top post already out there. And here's a really nice secret or tip that I really like, is interacting on competitors' posts, and that way you get your name out there. Because if their post is reaching thousands of viewers, your comment on their post will also be seen by a whole lot of people. And then there is the following method, where you follow a bunch of related accounts and hopefully they follow back. And that's what he did at first. He followed 1,000 users a day, but he was scared, so he did only 400 users a day he followed. And then he started increasing and to 800, 900 users a day he followed. 10 to 20% follows back. And then he started doing post exchange groups. So once your account gets a little bit bigger, you can start participating with other competitors and then help each other. And then he started doing buying shout outs. So once you start making some money, you buy shout outs from other Instagram influencers. And then once you get somewhat bigger, you don't need to be so aggressive with buying shout outs, and your account is pretty much an authority once you reach a good number of followers. So here you can see he's got 75,000 free, pretty much free visits to his profile, which is a whole lot of traffic. And here he is making 1,500 for the last 7 days at this point in time. Now he's talking about scaling up strategies to create more accounts, and even gotten offers to buy out his accounts, and also people buying his sponsored posts and paying up to $340 a post. So now you're making money from Clickbank and sponsored posts like these. So it's getting multiple sources of income. All right, we're down to the conclusion page. And the best part about this is he wasn't even, like, English is not his main language, and he was a complete beginner with Instagram, and he made it. So anyone in the world can do this because the barrier is very low. You don't need English. Anyone can make an account with Instagram. Anyone can do his strategy. You can get started. There's nothing to pay. And once you get bigger, make some money, you can maybe buy some shout outs and things like that. But to get started, it's absolutely free. Clickbank is free to sign up, or other affiliate networks if you're interested in that. So very good inspirational post for all beginner affiliate marketers out there. So I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and make money online opportunities. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks again, and happy marketing.